Hello students, today we are start your standard time first chapter, okay, real numbers. It is very good chapters in the point of view of your examinations. So now some basic concept we already know that, so we refer the some concepts. Okay, the real numbers. The first is what is the real numbers. Okay, so the collection of all numbers that can be represented on the real number lines, right? It is called the real numbers, right? So they are represented by, normally it is called the, you know that, right? Means 2 minus 8 under root 3, 5 plus root 3, okay, 8 by 15. So they all are the example of the real numbers, right? Okay. And then after even numbers, so the all numbers, okay, that are divisible by 2 are called the even numbers. Okay, that means the last digit of the any number is 0, 2, 4, 8 and 6. Okay, 6 and 8 is called the all are the even numbers. Similarly, then is the odd numbers. So all the numbers that cannot be divisible by 2 is called the odd numbers, right? Okay, now the importance is the prime numbers. So prime numbers, that means a natural number different from 1 is said to be prime if it has okay, no factors other than 1 and itself, right? So it is all called the is a prime number. So example of the prime numbers, 2, and the lowest prime numbers 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all are the prime numbers. Co-prime, relatively primes, right? So a pair of number is said to be co-prime, right? If the numbers have no common factors other than 1. That means that the product of the number 13 and number 19. They have the common factor is only 1, so that's why it's called the co-prime numbers. But 2 and normally the number 8 and number 6, so they have the common factor is 2, right? So it's not a co-prime. क्योंकि वो prime ही नहीं है, तो co-prime कहाँ से होगा? Okay, now, so then again the composite number. Natural numbers excluding the 1 is said to be a composite if it is not a prime. If it is not a prime, clear? Okay. So जो prime number नहीं है वो composite number है. Okay. Relationship between the HCF and LCM. So HCF, that means highest common factor या greatest common or divisor, GCD. All are the HCF, and LCM मतलब least common multiple, right? So the relation of these two numbers for the LCM and HCF is equal to product of these two numbers. So HCF of two number into LCM of two number is equal to product of these two number. Got it? Okay. So they are the basic points of the year for starting okay, chapters 1. Understand? Okay, of the it is the real number. You know that. Remember this. Now we start the easy way, the lemma. What is the meaning of lemma? Okay, Euclid's lemma. So lemma, that means a proven statement which is proving by another statements. Help to using this. Then after Euclid's lemma, Euclid's division lemma, right? So you know that division rules, and then we start the HCF and LCM, right? Okay, so copy that. Your screenshot is very easy to. Okay, bachcho. So the Euclid's division lemma here. So A is equal to, right? Euclid's division lemma. So A is equal to B cube plus R. 0 less than R, less than B, right? So the here A means the dividend, B means the divisor. Okay, Q means the quotient, and R means the remainder. So always remainder between 0 equal to 0 हो सकता है या फिर less than B. Okay, A is always greater than B. It is called the division lemma. Okay, and now use the division algorithm. That means the you process now that Okay, okay, put here the A divided by B, right? So quotients is written here and remainder. When remainder is 0, so algorithm is stop. When the remainder is not 0, so you start the same procedure. Now your B become the B, that means your divisor become the dividend and remainder is become your divisor, right? ओके सो यहाँ पे बी क्या बन जाएगा, डिविडेंड बन जाएगा, आपका रिमाइंडर है वो डिविजर बन जाएगा. अगेन प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड द एल्गोरिथम, राइट? So Euclid's division algorithm. Got it? Okay. So now use the exercise here. So NCERT exercise the 1.1, right? Question number 1. Just say that. Use the Euclid's algorithm and to find the HCF of first 135 and 2 to 5. It's simple. A is greater than B, so A is equal to 2 to 5. Okay, and B is equal to 135. So first of that you written in the form. So 2 to 5 is equal to B, that means 135. Okay, and plus. So first you divide 2 to 5 divided by 135, right? Okay, so you divide 1. So here 135. So 0 again. Okay, so 5 minus 0 are 12. So 9 here. Okay, so 90. So quotient is 1, but remainder is 90, not equal to 0. Okay, here R. Okay, not equal to 0. So procedure again start. Okay, so now your here 135 is become dividend. So 135. Your remainder is become divisor, right? Into and plus. So here and similarly 135 divided by 90. So 91 are 90. So the 5 and 4. Oh, remainder is 45. So again remainder is 45 where R does not equal to 0. Again, so therefore 90 is become the dividend and 45 is become, okay, 45 become divisor. So 45 twos are and 0. Okay, procedure is stopped because R is equal to 0. So now underline this. This is your, okay, HCF. So the now HCF of the two number 135 and 225 is equal to 45. Understand? Here it is the 45, right? Okay. Now number 2. Okay, question number 2. Number 2, here is a greater number. So A is equal to 38220 and B means 196, right? So A is greater than B, so that's why. So lemma is equal to 38220 is equal to 196 divisor, okay, that and remainder, right? So divide this. So it is very big number, so approximate is a 195 and 195 square. Right, easily way to solve this. So 25 and then 380 is very nearest number of this. So I think, okay, 195, 195. So simple, we divide by 195 here. Okay, so 160 and 95. So we got 0. So here R is equal to 0. Okay, so procedure is stop. I will not, okay, to be continued. Now, so therefore it is simple, remainder is become 0. So therefore HCF of, okay, HCF of the 38220 and 196 is equal to 196, right? Okay, मतलब डिविजर है, एक क्वेश्चन आ गया and remainder क्या हो गया 0. चलो clear, understand? Okay, चलो carry on question number 3. And the 3 is 8, 6, 7. So A is equal to 867 and B is equal to 255, right? Okay, so now let's start. 867 is equal to 255 into quotient and plus remainder. Now, so here the 867 upon 255. So 255 nearest. So I think 2 you got here, right? So it's a very simple 2, 3 मतलब 6 and 55 3s are 135 to 6, yeah, it is nearest to this, so we put the 3. So here 3. So 5, 15, 1 carry forward, 5 and 16, 1 carry forward, 6 and 7. So 2 here 0 and here 102. So 102 is remainder and portions 3, where r does not equal to 0. The procedure is continue. Now 255 is become dividend and 102 is become divisor, right? Plus. So 255, so 2 2s are 4, matlab 2, right? So 255, 255 and 2, so 204 here. So here 1 and 51. So 51 is removed, again r does not equal to 0, right? Okay. So here now 102 is become, okay, a dividend. Okay, this is divisor, your reminder, dash, okay, and plus here. So now 102, okay, divide by 51, so 2. So here 2 and remainder 0, so r is equal to 0. So our procedure is stop. So HCF of 867 and 255 is equal to how much? 51. So it is the simple called the Euclid divisor algorithm. Clear? So we use the lemma to solve this algorithm. That means you by step by solve. Clear? Okay. Now let's start question number 2. Right? क्या दिया बच्चों question number 2 के अंदर? सबसे पहले just check it. So that the any positive odd integer is of the form of the 6q plus 1, okay, and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, right? So simple. Let us consider the positive odd integer. Question number 2. Okay, सबसे पहले तो let us consider any positive odd integer be a x, right? The question is 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, right? Is a odd integer, okay, is called not x but a ले लेते हैं क्योंकि लेमा क्या है a plus bq, but odd मतलब remainder 1, odd मतलब remainder 1, right? So here the a and a number in the form of 6q plus 1, so you put here 6q, so a become dividend, 6 has a, yes, divisor, okay? So simple, 0 less than r less than 6, right? So now put here r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Okay. So put here r is equal to 0. So that a is equal to 6q. Is a 0? Okay. Put r is equal to 1. So implies that, okay, r is equal to 2. So a is equal to 6q plus 2. R is equal to 4. Implies that a is equal to 6q plus 4. Now r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 5. So implies that a is equal to 6q plus 1. A is equal to 6q plus 3 and a is equal to 6q plus 5. Just see that. So any numbers end with the last digit 2068, right? Okay, yeah, the remainder has become 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all are the even numbers. We already know that. So simple. So therefore the number, okay, even values of a. So here this gives the, okay, so this gives the which number? Even number of, even value of a, right? So therefore, okay, odd value of a, okay, r 6q plus 1, okay, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, right? Yeah, so सीधी बात है 6q plus 1 and 3 and 5 are the whatever where q is any integer, right? चलो clear? Understand? Okay. तो सिंपल ये आपके ऑड नंबर्स हो गए, तो खत्म। अगर है बताया कि अगर कोई नंबर है तो उसको हम लोग कोई भी ऑड नंबर को इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? सो वी यूज द यूक्लिड्स लेमा। क्लियर? नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Okay, now the question number 4, right? Okay, what is the question number 4? Use the Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form of the 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Again, right? चलो again, so Euclid's the square of the any positive. So let us consider the n arbitrary positive integer. Okay, x है मान लो, and it is the form of the 3 number 3q. I think हम ले सकते हैं, तो 3m plus 1 है, 3m है तो 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. So question number 4. Let us consider any arbitrary numbers। क्या दिया क्वेश्चंस के अंदर हमें? नॉर्मल आर्बिट्ररी पॉजिटिव। ओके, पॉजिटिव नंबर बी एक्स, क्या ले लेते हैं बच्चों? बी एक्स, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एज एक्स। ओके, इफ it has form of 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2, right? Okay, so x is equal to 3q। हमें क्या दिखाना है बच्चों यहाँ पे? Simple square of the any positive integer, right? So square of the any positive integer. So the simple take the square both the side. So you got the here 3. So 3q square. So x square is equal to 9q square. So x square is equal to 3 into 3q square. Okay, so x square is equal to 3m. Where m is equal to 3q square putting, okay, and m is any integer, okay, and m is any integer. So clear? So the x square is equal to 3m. Now similarly x is equal to 3q plus 1. Again take the square both the side. So 3q plus 1 square, right? Split these portions. Okay, x square is equal to 9q square plus 9q 2 3 are 6. So 6q and plus 1. So x square is equal to 3 is common. So 3 square plus 2q in for these two terms, and plus 1 as it is. Okay, so here x square is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q, and m is integer, any integer। चलो क्लियर? ये तो कोई भी इंटीजर है। अंडरस्टैंड? तो अगेन आपको फॉर्म मिल गया, x square is 3m plus 1। Similarly check the third number। So x is equal to 3q plus 2. Again take the square both the side. Okay, so 3q plus 2 whole square. So x square is equal to 9q square plus 6 to the 12q and plus 4. Okay, क्या करेंगे बच्चों यहाँ पे? x square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 and plus 1. Understand? Okay, so this number x square is equal to 3 common, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1 as it is. So x square is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q and plus 1, right? And m is the integer. So simple we written as, okay. So any positive number square, positive integer is always in the form of the 3m and 3m plus 1. Clear? Okay, understand this? Okay. So now question number 5 here. So number 5 is, here is given that Euclid's division lemma, okay, so that the cube of any positive integer is in the form of the 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Okay, so again let us consider an arbitrary positive integer x such that, okay, हम लोग in the form क्या लिखेंगे, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2, right? इसमें भी division lemma use होता है. Okay, so again fifth one. So let us consider an arbitrary positive integer, okay, via x as such that it is in the form of 3q plus 1, okay, and 3q plus 2, right? Again, so x is equal to 3q. So x cube is equal to 3q whole cube. So x cube is equal to 27 9 cube. So x cube is equal to 9 into 3 cube, right? So simple, x cube is equal to 9m. Right, क्या कर दिया 9m, where m is equal to 3q cube, okay, and m is any integer. So clear? Again, so x is equal to 3q plus 1. Take the cube both the side. So 3q plus 1 whole cube, a plus b whole cube, that means 27 cube plus 1 लास्ट में लिखेंगे तो सबसे पहले तो 3 3 जा 9, 27 q square plus 9 cube, okay, so 1 3 into 3 9, okay, and the plus 1, right? Simplification. Now x cube is equal to 9 is common, so the 3 cube square plus 3q square and only cube and plus 1. So x cube is equal to here 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square and plus q, right? Q is also the integer. Similarly, a भी form आ गया आपका, a number लेके. Now x is equal to 3q plus 2, right? Okay, so x cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Simplify this. So again 27 cube, okay, plus I put here तो यहाँ पे 9 27, so 54 q square plus, okay, 2 4 and 4 9 9 6 are right, so the 3 3s are 9 9 4 are 36 q, right? Okay, and the last 8 one, last 8, right? Now we knew that we common this, so the is simple. So x cube is equal to 9 is common, so 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q and plus 8, right? So you return, okay, a simple way. So x cube is equal to here 9m, right, plus 8, right? So again clear that where m is equal to 3q square plus 6q square and plus 4 cube. So clear? And q is also integer, m is also integer. Understand? So we can return, okay, in the form of any x. So x cube is equal to 9m. Also x cube is equal to 9m plus 1, and also x cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Understand? Clear, students? Okay. Any doubts? No. Right? So let's complete up this. Now the question number 3. Okay, we just learned this. So question number 3, read this carefully. Okay, question number 3. क्या बताया गया है आपको? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की बात कर रहा हूं बच्चों. So question number 3. Okay, question number 3. An army contingent of the 616 members is to be marched behind of any an army band of the 32 members. Okay, तो 32 members जो है वो army band है, उसके 616 members है इस पटल. So in a parade, right? So two groups are the march in the same number of the columns. So what is the maximum number of columns? Okay, which they can march. ओके, तो टोटल मेंबर्स कितने हैं? 616 है, राइट? क्या है? 616, राइट? ओके, सो यहाँ पे 3 में सो टोटल मेंबर्स इज इक्वल टू 616. क्वेश्चन के अंदर बच्चों में ढूंढना क्या है? तो क्वेश्चन के अंदर ऐसा लिखा है कि व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ द कॉलम्स विच दे कैन मार्च. ओके, so which they can march. Okay, तो सीधी बात है, यहाँ पे बहुत सीधी बात बताई कि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. ओके, तो मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ कि HCF ऑफ 616, ओके, और बैंड मेंबर कितना है? 32 इज इक्वल टू द ओके नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ मैक्सिमम कॉलम्स, राइट? चलो देन मार्क. तो सीधी बात है, यूक्लिड लेमा यूज करते हैं हम लोग. 616 इज इक्वल टू 32. सो 616 डिवाइड बाय 32. सो 32 2 जाओ तो 32 हियर ओनली. सो 11. सो 9 हो गया यहाँ पे 5 29. सो 1 into 6 here. So again is nearest 3 9s are I think right. So the first is 23 32 616 and 32 we have first target. 9 से करते हैं. चलो 32 9s are 18. 1 carry forward. 28 2 to 8 288. Okay, so 19 and plus the 19. Okay, so 16. so 80 बचेगा खाली, ये तो 0 जाएगा. चलो 8. Nice. So 32 is become dividend, 8 become divisor, 34 are plus 0, right? So simple HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to, we got 8. So 8, that means the, so simple number of maximum column power be 8. So clear? Understand? Okay, bachcho. So this exercise is completed from the here. Now in next lectures we start the exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please comment and also the subscribe the channel. Bye.